Hello everyone, welcome to Technology Glance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to earn free rewards or diamonds on BuzzCast. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open up BuzzCast on your mobile device. Scroll down a bit and tap on Earn Rewards. Now you can earn free cash and diamonds by inviting your friends on BuzzCast. If you scroll down a bit, you can also see that you can watch a video and earn free diamonds. You can complete these simple missions to earn free rewards on BuzzCast. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.